Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Glomerular diseases, and you're looking at the sites of deposits. So the first site we'll be looking at is the subepithelium. So here in the subepithelium. So in subepithelial, we'll include the membranous nephropathy. So this includes the membranous nephropathy. So there is something known as the membranous nephropathy, and this is the epimembranous. It is the epimembranous. Next is the presence of the PSGN. So all these are subepithelial. So PSGN as well as the membranous nephropathy. Next is the intramembranous. So we look at the intramembranous. So intramembranous, there is a dense. To watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.